Adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a throw.
Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, no, that way.
Now this is curious.
By the way, he went this way. I'm not sure where I am either.
You're right. Don't go, please.
You could try this way.
So let the babies red. We're painting the roses red. And make it here we should. Because we know they'll cease to grow. In fact, they'll soon be dead. Oh, and yet we go ahead. Painting the roses red. The Bibles advice.
His Imperial Highness, the Queen, the King.
Shall we play croquet?
And Rule 42, the Queen always wins.